After installing a Windows 10 Cumulative Update, when you run disk cleanup, cleanmgr.exe as administrator to clean up system files, it may incorrectly show DB as disk cleanup says that I have 3.99 TB of Windows Update files to be cleaned off of a 256 gig solid-state drive. How is this possible and what can I do about it? Disk cleanup bug. 3.99 TB used by Windows Updates. Fixed. Winhelponline. Windows 10 bug. Windows Update files taking 3.99 TB space in disk cleanup minus today while doing some regular maintenance tasks on my Windows 10 PC. I found a weird issue. Windows 10 Cumulative Update KB3194798. Disk cleanup is reporting a disk size of 3.99 TB after disk cleanup listed the size of the Windows Update. I always do a disk cleanup after every Windows out, and we have made some updates to Windows Forum topics to Windows Update Cleanup 3.99 TB. Disk cleanup in Windows 10 reports Windows Update Cleanup of 3.99 TB size. The bug for the disk cleanup tool has, you can see how to fix the Windows 10 disk. I've been cleaning up some files on my PC, and when I go use disk cleanup to clean out old system files, it's showing that I have 3.99 TB of Windows Update Cleanup. Disk cleanup in Windows 10 reports Windows Update Cleanup of 3.99 TB. A definite bug. Windows Update Cleanup frees up to 3.99 TB of disk. Windows Update Cleanup. If noticed in the past that Win10 shows the Windows is configuring updates after a restart and disk cleanup. 3.99 TB to delete. 1 TB disk cleanup resulting Windows Update Cleanup 3. Windows Update Cleaning 399 equals 399 TB or TB. Cleaning on an 1 TB disk. I guess some kind of bug. I'm using Windows Server 2016 server and recently updated it. When I used disk cleanup for the first time saw this. Windows Update Cleanup 3.99 TB while Windows. Just after updating Windows 10 Pro and decided to run disk cleanup and noticed that I have 3.99 TB of Windows updates to clean. I read that this was a bug in previous. Today while doing some regular maintenance tasks on my Windows 10 PC, I found a weird issue. I regularly run disk cleanup, cleanmgr.exe, to and use other methods too. Reddit, the front page of Start Windows Update Service. Run disk cleanup to see if it was coming back to me that I could free up TB of space by removing the disk cleanup in Windows 10 reports Windows Update Cleanup of 399 TB size. Cleanup 3.99 TB from 500 bug drive. Disk cleanup bug. 3.99 TB used by Windows Updates. For science, then let us know. Applicable Windows 10 process was complete. I went to do a disk cleanup from Windows Update Cleanup, which is Q. I am running disk cleanup and see 3.99 TB of Windows Update Cleanup. What is this? You can ignore this and you may not even have 4 TB of storage. Disk cleanup says that I have 3.08 TB of Windows Update files, but I cannot delete these files. I use chkdsk, are nothing found. I use sfc, scanno nothing found. Windows 10 Cumulative Update KB3194798 causes 3.99 TB data size in disk cleanup, reporting a different bug. Disk cleanup is reporting a disk size. Disk cleanup's Windows Update Cleanup weeds through the Windows folder and eliminates unnecessary files. Learn how to use the feature in Windows 7 and 8X. Windows 10 Cumulative Update KB3194798. Disk cleanup is reporting a disk size of 3.99 TB, reporting a different bug. Disk cleanup is reporting a disk cleanup bug. 3.99 TB used by Windows Updates. Fixed. Winhelponline. Disk cleanup bug. 3.99 TB used by Windows updates. Fixed. Winhelponline. Hi. Someone please send a bug report to Microsoft about the following display bug. I launched Disk Cleanup utility for C drive a while ago for the Windows update. Since the last update, a lot of people are complaining about a bug in the Disk Cleanup utility. For them, it is showing 399 TB update files present in their C drives. Disk Cleanup minus Windows Update Cleanup stuck. Looks like a bug in Windows. This Windows Update Cleanup got rid of several GB of stuff and was worth it. For TB to clean Windows old updates operating systems means 3.99 TB in Russian, and unless you continuously open Disk Cleanup, you won't see that bug. Windows 10 Disk Cleanup minus shows 3.99 TB of 100% disk usage bug /issue after Windows 10 update. Do not ask why 3.99 TB. Just run Disk Cleanup on it. http://news.softpedia.com/news/ Windows 10 Cumulative Update KB3194798 causes 399 TB data size in disk clear Windows 10. The bug and a workaround.